Disclaimer: it's important to use this information responsibly and within the boundaries of the law and ethical considerations. This video is intended solely for educational purpose. In this tutorial we will learn how to discover nearby wireless networks and display useful information about them. Open Terminal. Ensure that your wireless network adapter is in monitor mode. If it's not already set up, you can refer to a previous tutorial to get it configured correctly. Execute the command airodump-ng LAN 0. Here, airodump-ng is the tool we'll use for packet sniffing, and LAN 0 represents the name of our network adapter in monitor mode. As you run airodump-ng, it will initiate the process of capturing and displaying information about the wireless networks in your vicinity. The collected data includes BSSID. This is the MAC address of the target wireless network, identifying the network uniquely. PWR, a representation of the signal strength or power of the network. A higher value indicates a stronger signal. Beacons, the number of beacon messages sent by the router to indicate its presence in the network, acting like a heartbeat. Hashtag data, the count of data packets or data frames transferred within the network. Hashtag/s, the number of data packets collected within the past 10 seconds, providing an insight into network activity. CH, denotes the channel on which the network adapter is operating. MB, reflects the maximum speed that the adapter can offer for data transfer. ENC, indicates the encryption type used by the network, for example WPA, WPA2, OPN, WEP, etc. Cipher, the cipher used in the network, such as CCMP. AUT, reveals the authentication method employed by the network, for example, PSK, pre-shared key. ESSID, the name of the wireless networks surrounding your location. Press Ctrl+C to stop the execution. By following these steps, you'll have the tools and knowledge to explore and understand the wireless networks in your proximity. Disclaimer: it's important to use this information responsibly and within the boundaries of the law and ethical considerations. This video is intended solely for educational purpose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.